TFNN Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. As most of you know, today is FOMC meeting day, 2 o'clock New York time. The one thing that they're talking about is there's not going to be any drop in interest rates at this time. But folks, believe me, folks, if you think that these things are going on about tariff moves, these markets, if by some strange attraction or imagination or whatever word you want to use, if Chairman Powell decides to drop interest rates here, you're going to see one heck of a rally. And I don't know how long it will last, and maybe it won't even last. Maybe it'll be good news, bad action. But anyway, that's what there's a possibility of that looking. As you notice here, yesterday we were talking about the market hitting this level here. You can see we've rallied up already a little over $1,200 from the low right there, right at that 786 and 618 retracement. You can see it was 61% retracement of that level right here. Okay, just spot on, and you can see it held there twice yesterday, and now we had a pretty good run to the upside. Now, the one thing that we should check on, now we're just looking at this on an hourly, we should check this low with something way back here. So we're going to do that right now. You're going to see where we were. Well, let's go back even farther. Let's just do a 4-hour chart, and we'll be able to see it real clearly. There's where we want to see. So there's the 61% retracement right there that we were looking at. Okay, no question about that. Even in the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king, and at this time, it happens to be Mr. Fibonacci. Well, the difference is that the contracts have rolled over, but that's neither here nor there. So what we're doing now is from this low here, we probably come right down to a 50% level. Okay, we'll move that over, and there it is right there. That's the difference in the contracts, folks, that level right now, and here's where we're rallying. However, if we look at this on a long-term weekly, okay, here's where we are. If by some strange imagination of some Federal Reserve boy, this could be it. Now, when I was a little boy, I had a picture in the wall of Mickey Mantle, Robin Roberts of the Phillies, and Natalie Wood. Those were the 3 pictures that I had on the wall. Chairman Powell didn't do that. His picture was of Paul Volcker, and that's what Volcker did. He did surprises. So let's take a break. We'll be right back and talk about a lot of markets, folks. We got a lot of things to cover today.